So here we are today. I'm with Alfredo at Epic, which you may have heard of. It's one of the premium developments on Marbella's Golden Mile. And we've been invited today by the developer to look at this spectacular duplex. It's actually a ground floor, but duplex. So it goes down into like a semi-basement area. It's on the market at 3.85 million? 3.89 million, which sounds a lot of money, but it's a lot of house. And as you can see, it's one of the, I think it's the only unit in this development that has this, which is a spectacular private pool and garden. So it has the feel of a villa, even though it's not. So you don't have all the hassle, you can just lock up and leave, and you are in one of the most exclusive addresses and developments in Marbella, being sold as it is. So I think they already have an offer on it. I think they might have actually agreed a deal today, which is incredible. And we're hopefully going to be doing an interview with the developers from Sierra Blanca next week, where they're going to be talking about the success that they've had with Epic over the last year or two, and their plans for the future, which are really exciting, bringing other design names to the coast and other products that are going to be really super interesting. This high-end market has taken off, as we've talked about in the past. This is an example of it. And we see no let up to that at the moment. There are people looking to be here, to live here, people looking to park their money here because they consider it a safe place to be, a safe place to holiday, a safe place for their families. Even because of what's happening in Eastern Europe at the moment, a lot of people now are thinking, you know, if it's getting a bit too close for comfort, they're looking at making this their base. So really interesting times. Summer has officially started. I can announce today. It's Friday. It's crackerjack. No, it's not. It's Friday. It's 20 to 2. I've got a meeting in 20 minutes and it's about 20 degrees, a balmy 20 degrees. So it's a lovely day. Summer's begun. Not a bad place to be on a Friday afternoon.